Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volvo XC60 battery. Before we begin, remember that safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate protective gear, like gloves and eye protection, to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. Having the right tools, such as a 10mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver, will make this job much smoother. Now, let's locate your battery. In most Volvo XC60 models, you'll find it under the hood on the passenger side, beneath the windshield cowling. You'll need to remove some rubber weather stripping and plastic covers, often secured with Phillips screws, to access it. Once visible, use your 10mm wrench to disconnect the negative terminal first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent accidental short circuits. With the negative terminal disconnected, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. Next, you'll need to loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp or retaining nut, usually found at the base of the battery. Once free, carefully lift out the old battery. They can be quite heavy, often weighing around 40 to 50 pounds. Now, gently lower your new battery into the compartment, making sure it's seated properly. With the new battery in place, resecure it using the hold-down clamp. Now, for reconnection, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are snug and tight to prevent any issues. Replace all covers, weather stripping, and any other components you removed. Finally, start your Volvo XC60 to confirm everything is working correctly and that there are no unexpected warning lights on your dashboard. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.